Our project title is RFMVDA, an enhanced deep learning approach for customer behavior classification in e-commerce environments. This is our abstract. In today's digital landscape, customer relationship management systems have evolved into powerful SaaS platform, but their customer expectations and behavior become more complex. Traditional CRM are no longer enough. Enter the customer data platform, a model solution that collect and unify behavior data to build single customer profiles, enabling more personalized data-driven engagement. With the global rise of e-commerce, understanding and segmenting customer has become more critical and more challenging than ever before. While a RFM model, recency, frequency, and monetary value, has long been used for customer classification, it falls short into a dynamic e-commerce environment where the customer interact with service anytime, anywhere. To bridge this gap, we introduced RFM VDA model: recency, frequency, monetary, visit duration, and access. Designed specifically for e-commerce, RFM VDA capture more granular data from section and user behavior, offering a rich, more accurate view of a customer's journey. Used to this enhanced model, we train deep neural network to segment and classify customer based on real behavioral data. This is our flowchart diagram. We begin with start node, which initiates the customer analytics workflow. First step, data collection, where historical transaction data is loaded, typical from a source like online retail.csv. These include important customer and purchase details like invoice number, quantity, and etc. Then next we move to data cleaning and RFM generation. In this step, RFM means reasons, frequency, and monitoring, assigning RFM score and derive overall RFM segment score. Extract additional feature like age, center from raw data. And then next, after cleaning, we produce on feature engineering dataset. This contains structured numerical data ready for machine learning, like calculate RFM score, and then split dataset into training and testing. Training 80% of data and testing 20% of the data. And then model training, we use random forest classifier, and then model is tested on tested evaluate metrics such as AUC as other classification metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score to access model performance. After validating model, save train model along with necessary pre-processing object. These saved artifacts allow to reuse the model for future prediction without retraining. And after that, predict segment 2, it accept new customer data input, pre-process them similarly, and use train model to predict customer segment. And then next, this output helps make targeted marketing, and this customer segment along with ad metrics like CLV are displayed to user. This is our project explanation part. Start data collection, data clean, and RFM. Next, feature engineer dataset. These steps, the final output of entire process, clean structure and ready for ML. And then these steps in application is a tangible result of data preparation space, showing each customer with their calculated recency, frequency, monitored value, and age ready to fit into a model. And then next, split data, 80% of training and 20% of testing. Then the steps in our application, the bar chart show the result of testing multiple models and provide the random forest is the best choice and planned in a flow chart. And then next, ready segment 2, display the segment CLV, etc. And this in our application, enter the value and show the predicted result and also show and predicted results on right side VAP spend, the predicted customer lifetime value and then churn probability. This is our source code and this is our output. Plus click register here and enter username, mail ID and password. After register successful message, then enter to login, enter username and password, click login. Go to the main dashboard. This dashboard provides a high-level overview of customer base, segment into 3 distinct value: high value, mid value, low value. Each segment display the total number of customer and total revenue they generate, indicate in Hindi and Ruby. And this is glance view is designed to help business quickly understand this customer composition and identify key areas for marketing focus. And then next, segment trend. This line chart change this number of customer within 3 distinct segments: mid value, high value and low value. Yellow line is mid value, green is high value, and then red is low value. And then this period is January to September 2011. The data show the growth trend across all 3 segments, with the mid value begin largest and growing fast rate. And the next, segment profile dashboard. This dashboard provides a detailed profile of high value customer, low value, and then average value customer. And then this bar chart show they are most concentrated in 18 to 30 age group, while the donut chart indicate nearly even gender split. And click the download list. And these download list button allow for exploring the specific customer segment for targeted marketing campaign. This image shows a spreadsheet containing customer data structure for and enter to the predict segment, enter the residency, frequency, monetary value, then age, and select gender. Click predict to display the prediction result based on input features. Then this is the predicted persona, VIP spender, and then show the predicted CLV for next 12 months. This is the what is CLV, and then churn probability next 90 days. And then based on this prediction, so the recommendation action. This is for useful for business impact. And the next, model comparison. To use a 3 model logistic regression, random forest, a deep neural network. The random forest achieved 96.77% accuracy, and the best performing model of our project is random forest. This is the confusion matrix, and then detailed model metrics of logistic regression, random forest, and deep neural networks. Thank you.